In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a video in Canva in high quality. By the end, you'll know exactly which settings to choose so your video looks crisp and professional. Whether you're posting on social media, sharing a presentation, or editing it further in another program. First, make sure your video design is finished in Canva and you're on the main editing screen where you can see your video preview. When you're ready to export, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see the Share button. Go ahead and click on Share. This is where Canva keeps all of the options for publishing, presenting, and downloading your work. After you click Share, a menu will open with several choices. From this menu, select Download. This tells Canva that you want to save a copy of your video to your device rather than just share a link online. Next, you'll need to choose the correct file type. This is very important for getting high-quality results. In the File Type drop-down, select MP4 video. MP4 is the standard format for most users. It works perfectly for social media platforms, video hosting sites, presentations, and most video editors. It gives you a good balance of quality and file size, and it's widely compatible. You may also see an option for GIF. This can look tempting, especially for simple animations, but it's not the right choice for full videos. GIFs are best for very short looping animations, like quick graphics or reaction clips, and they do not preserve audio. They also tend to have lower quality and larger file sizes for longer content. So for any proper video project, always stick with MP4. Once MP4 video is selected, look for the options button or a small gear icon near that setting. Click this to open the video quality settings. Here, you'll see an option for video quality. Change this to high. Choosing high tells Canva to render your video with better clarity and detail, which is especially important if your design includes text, graphics, or screen recordings. While you're still in the options, make sure that all pages is selected. In Canva, each scene or